Okay, I've got to get an equation solved for one variable, and I'm going to pick that top equation and solve for x because x is already positive. So I'm going to move the y and the z to the other side, which I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to add it to both of them. And by the other side, I mean the other side of the equal sign. Okay, so that's x equals y plus z plus 2. And I'm going to plug that into the second equation, then I'm going to plug it into the third equation. Second equation first. That would be negative x, except I'm not going to put x because I know what it equals. So it's negative y plus z plus 2 plus 3y plus 4z, and that equals 8. So I'm going to distribute the negatives, so that's negative y minus z minus 2 plus 3y plus 4z equals 8. Combine the y's and you have 2y. Combine the z's and you have 3z. And I'm going to add the negative 2 to put it on the other side, and it equals 10. And there's your first two-variable equation. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, except I'm going to plug it into the last one. So that's 3 parentheses y plus z plus 2 minus 8y plus 2z equals 6, and that's 3y plus 3z plus 6 minus 8y plus 2z equals 6. Okay. I'm going to combine the y's, and that will be negative 5y. And I'm going to combine the z's, and it's positive 5z. And I'm subtracting 6 from both sides. If you subtract 6 from both sides, it goes to 0. Well, the whole entire equation will reduce, and so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to divide everything by 5. And so you have negative y plus z equals 0, and there's your other equation. So I'm going to come back to the top, and I'm dealing with those two equations, and I'm substituting. And so I'm going to change that second equation. You have negative y plus z equals 0. I'm going to add y to both sides. And z equals y. And so this makes our life a little bit easier. I can plug that into the green equation that I have, and I'm going to say 2y, except I'm not putting y because I know it equals z, plus 3z, and it equals 10. 5z is 10. Divide everything by 5. And z equals 2. Okay, so there's our first value. But we also know if z equals 2, y equals 2, right? So I'm going to plug that back into the equation that's blue that we wrote. That's x equals y plus 2. Y plus z plus 2. Okay, so we know that y is 2, z is 2, plus 2. So x equals 6. So So the ordered triple is 6, 2, 2. There's your answer.